Hey everyone, it's day 8 already, and today is all about practicing with the mirror. That's right. Now, why is that important? Well, I have a mirror right behind, and I often actually turn around when I'm not making videos and practice with it. Why is that important? Because it's really important to see yourself and really look at your posture, and that's the best way to figure out what's wrong. Anything that looks unnatural, like when I tell people, like when your wrist looks like this, just when it doesn't look natural, or if you're slouching and you don't really know because you're so like focused on trying to play well. And also another thing is when you're practicing, a lot of times people will look down, and I do that sometimes too. When you look in a mirror, you're forced to look in the front, you look at yourself, you're correcting anything that you see, be your own teacher. So that is the focus today. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and play some, but show me what you got today and share with me your experiences on Instagram. How is it like to practice with the mirror and what you learned? So do share. And of course, my Instagram is Cellist Wendy Law. If you want to have lessons with me, I can give you a micro lesson, just like less than a minute, where you can ask quick questions and I'll send a quick answer back to you to help you out, for those of you who are budget minded especially. And then there's a mini lesson, 5 to 10 minutes of video sent to me. I will give you back another video, and then longer lessons. All that information is down below. Thank you so much. Yes, we can get through this together and we can support each other. All right, go team.